So I just wanted to add in my 2 cents about this product, the OVENTE ProntoFill electric kettle. ProntoFill, because this piece right here, when you put it on, allows water to go through the top. Nothing is wrong with this product. Absolutely nothing. Nothing at all. However, if I had, this is the top key pedal, the top teapot infuser that comes in the box. Nothing's wrong with it, but as you can see, there's a version of this that has a keep warm fill feature, the KG733. So if I had seen this version first, I would not have purchased this. There is nothing wrong with this one. However, as you can see, that is a large cup of concentrate, like, and so that's only going to stay warm for so long, you know? That's multiple cups. And for this, I would have to continue to warm cups over and over and over again. And like when I'm watching a show, I have a couple cups of tea during the show. I'm not going to want to wait 2 minutes it's just, I don't know. That sounds very entitled. But long story short, I would have not purchased this. This is the one I would go for if you are going to be using this regularly. In this manner, this is the one to go for. If you're not using the diffuser as often, and you're not using loose teas as often, skip it. You can do this one. This one is a basic version of this one. So I did order this, and I'm going to make a review on this one. It's coming soon. Alrighty, that's all. Enjoy, guys.